Alright, welcome back, and official website of the Shakey's V-League, www.v-league.ph. Please log on. And for every match, ayan, kita nyo naman, ang dami yung nating kasama sa arena. But, ang pinakaswerte po naming napili to be our Shakey's face of the game is Beverly Sally Art Gaddafi. Only 17 years old from Pasig City. Congratulations, Beverly, for being our Shakey's face of the game. What a cute smile from Beverly. And again, like what we say, no, pag nanood ho kayo dito ng live at naspatan kayo nung aming napakagaling spot.
May ano ba yan? May binoculars.
Kaya kahit nasa dulong-dulo kayo, hindi kayo makakalusot dito kay
Pwedeng makakuha ng isang buong pizza.
May partida pa yan, pero dito nyo na lang malalaman pag dating nyo dito.
Well, it is Army having 9 attack points so far. Maynila not far behind with 6. Dakis. Alam mo, si Dakis, sabi ko nga kanina dito, no? Ito na nag-init sa second set. 4 attack points so far. Maggie with 3 on the other side. Yan, gawin po ng 5 yan.
Rachel really doing everything here in the second set. And
daming arsenal masyado ng Army. So, even if let's say on the third set, iba na naman na ipasok nila, you get almost the same result as Dalia Cruz even gets a bonus point from the serve.
And look at Dalia Cruz. This was the previous play. Exacto. Just crossing the net, and Artates wasn't ready for that sharp serve.
She's in the best position for that kind of serve. Diba? Patagilid na niyang kinuha.
Yes.
Medyo mabilis
and
sharp. But this time, that push by Artates.
She read the defense very well. Alam niya lahat nasa malayo o nasa likod.
Ine-expect na yung hit niya. Would be powerful.
And greetings to Mr. Archie De La Cruz of the Intramuros Golf Club. The people there always watch the Shakey's V-League every afternoon.
Hindi naman dahil pinipilit mo sila.
Hindi naman. Dahil hindi magpapapilit yung mga yun kung talagang ayaw nila. But they told me that they really watch it. And greetings
happy
to all of
watching.
them. Yeah, Intramuros Golf Club.
Sino bang favorite nila?
Siyempre, ikaw. So far, this second set.
Ito, maraming favorite dito to serve now for the Philippine Army.
Oh, yeah.
And looking like a real princess with the glittery headband.
Headband. Nice. But Golima not in a good position for that running.
Mayet Carolino. Daga Panchet.
Nice from Joy.
Ito na naman! Bunhag once again. Just the percentage of this girl is just amazing. You know, every time she hits the ball, siguro ang tapon lang sa 5 is
taas ng porsyento.
It's just so amazing. And she's no flair.
That's right.
Just textbook volleyball. Simple-simple. Katulad lang yan. Simple block coming from Ying Balse.
And Joy Cases has not been as effective as she was in set number 1. Parang itong second set, nahuli yung palo ni Joy, no?
Si Joy Cases kasi hindi pwedeng masyadong malapit sa net na set.
That's right. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's. Artates dug up by Bunag. See if they save it, and they do.
Save, Maggie. Combination play, but this time,
no touch for Bunag.
Nagkakagulatan pa sila sa pagsigaw ng palo Sa dami ng gustong pumalo. Cass is on the line to serve.
Nice short serve.
Another combination play.
Abutan kaya? No, De La Peña almost hitting our A-boards over at that side.
What a great effort on that last play, although. si De La Peña.
And we have a two-man substitution.
Iratay and Gutierrez now comes in for the Philippine Army.
Yes, for the finishing touches, ika nga, no? For this second set. Medyo malayo, hindi tulad ng first set. They kept it close, but here in the second set, the arm. Ooh!
Oh, Iratay with a dig. And Luna, once again, setting an end.
Yeah, she just makes it look so simple and easy.
Yeah, diba?
And free-flowing. And, of course, credit half of that point to Urs Iratay.
As we see our shaky and play of this set, yung ina-explain namin iyan, ito na lang, panoodin nyo. It says it all.
There you go. Easily getting that last point of the second set. 2 sets up. Itong Philippine Army will be right back with the third set after this short break.